You can annotate different parts of your drawings with the Note option. To add a text annotation, select Note from the 2D Drawings menu. Then, select an empty space to add a note, or select an item to annotate. When you annotate items, an arrow automatically points to them. Enter your annotation in the provided text box. To place your annotation, select an empty area. To reposition your annotation, select and drag it to anywhere you want. To finish, select Done. To edit an annotation, double-click or double-tap on the text and then enter your new annotation in the text box. To finish, select an empty area. To delete an annotation, select it and then choose Delete Selection from the menu.